Every day, millions of Coca-Cola bottles begin their journey inside highly automated factories where precision, speed... Production begins with carefully managed deliveries of essential ingredients and packaging materials, each verified before entering the manufacturing process. Water is the foundation of every bottle, undergoing rigorous purification to meet strict quality standards before production begins. From the mixing room, the prepared syrup travels through sealed pipelines directly to the bottling line. Carefully measured ingredients are combined under automated control, ensuring consistency in every batch. Plastic preforms are transformed into lightweight bottles through precision blow molding technology in just seconds. Before filling, every bottle is automatically rinsed to maintain the highest hygiene standards. High-speed filling technology delivers precise volumes into every bottle while maintaining efficiency and consistency. Each bottle is securely sealed, preserving freshness and preparing it for the next stage of production. Precision labeling gives every bottle its iconic identity, while automated vision systems instantly detect even the smallest imperfections.
All parameters are stable. Bottle flow is consistent. Looks good. Proceeding with the batch.
Before leaving the factory, finished products enter an intelligent warehouse, where automation manages inventory with speed and precision.
Pallet secured. Initiating transfer. Tracking the movement. Everything looks good. Transfer complete. Ready for the next one.
All right, here's another multi-pack of the Coke Zero. Thanks, almost done with this section.
Line 3 is exceeding targets, but keep an eye on the OEE metrics for fluctuations. Agreed, the real-time data looks solid. Checking maintenance requirements now.
From purified water to global distribution, precision engineering and automation keep one of the world's most recognizable beverages moving every second of every day.
The water quality is stable. Monitoring the flow rates now.
The reverse osmosis membranes remove dissolved solids. Activated carbon filters out any remaining impurities.
Consumption is dropping to the target level.
Excellent.
Excellent. Maintain that course, team. Confirmed.
The line is running at 98.6% efficiency. Everything looks good on the drive. We're maintaining speed while saving energy. Continuous environmental monitoring supports responsible manufacturing practices, while helping maintain high operational standards. The simulation suggests a 7% improvement in material efficiency and reduced carbon emissions during production. It's a win-win.
I'm adjusting the torque on the cap design now. Good, let's look at the stress points in the base.
Tablet confirms the simulation is stable.
Every packaging design undergoes rigorous testing to verify strength, reliability, and consistent performance throughout distribution.
The system analyzed the demand in real time.
Looks good. Automated scheduling is complete.
Exactly. The forecasts predict maximum efficiency.
Readings look stable. Everything appears to be operating efficiently.
Smart sensors collect real-time data from every stage of production.
The OEE is holding steady at 94.2%, but we're seeing anomalies here in the predictive maintenance.
Actuator 3 is showing an alert. We need to investigate.
Innovation, automation, and precision engineering work together to keep production efficient while delivering consistent quality on a global scale.
Supply chain status report. Please update the main display. Acknowledged. Pushing the real-time data now.
All right, bring it right in. Perfect, lower it down. That's the last one for this run.
To the good times. Cheers! I'm so glad we're doing this. Us too.
Morning, everyone. Let's get to it. Yeah, shift's waiting. Another day at the plant. Time for safety checks. Get your gear on, we're almost ready. Let's make sure everything is sanitized.
Efficiency looks good, but let's prioritize Line 3's equipment check today.
I agree, the pressure valve needs inspection before the afternoon shift.
I'll update the maintenance logs now.
Exit path clear and signed correctly. Fire extinguisher pressure looks good. Checking emergency exit operation. Opens smoothly. Verified.
And here you can see the real-time adjustments needed for optimal flow. Any questions, team?
The sensor reading is stable after the adjustment.
Good. The diagnostics match. We're ready for the test cycle.
The overall efficiency is holding steady at 88%, but the safety performance data shows we can improve our near-miss reporting.
Noted. The simulation matches the physical parameters of this bottle.
This new material is significantly more efficient.
Let's run the strength test on this prototype.
The virtual replica is running at 98.6% efficiency.
Perfect. Focus on the packaging flow now. Adjusting the parameters now. Watch the output. The analysis shows a 15% improvement in efficiency.
Excellent. Check the predictive shifts forecast.
It indicates a 20% gain next quarter. It's stable.
The inspection is complete. Proceed to handling. Acknowledged. Handling initiated.
Global asset health is showing a critical anomaly in turbine 4.
Acknowledge. Pull up the vibration analytics.
Verified. Routing the alert now.
Although separated by thousands of kilometers, modern manufacturing facilities operate with remarkably consistent production standards.
The results are within the expected range. Excellent. Let's proceed with the batch approval.
We're showing a congestion point here.
Yeah.
Acknowledge, we need to reroute via the Atlantic.
Yep.
Update the global logistics matrix with the new path.
Release. From advanced engineering and automated production to international logistics and retail distribution.
The predictive analytics indicate a bottleneck here.
Yeah.
We've rerouted the assembly line based on the AI's recommendations.
Performance is optimizing now.
Line performance is holding steady at 78%.
We need to optimize Robot 3's path, adjusting the holographic simulation to reflect the change.
The system's running at peak efficiency.
Monitor the robotics in Sector 3.
Looks good from here. Great teamwork. The readings are stable, indicating the batch is within specification.
Good. Let's proceed with the final quality check.
Inventory levels look good.
Route adjusted for container 734.
Air cargo confirmed for Shanghai.
Future manufacturing is expected to continue integrating intelligent automation, advanced analytics, and resource-efficient engineering. Innovation, engineering, and teamwork continue to shape the evolution of modern beverage manufacturing, preparing the industry for the future.
Behind every stage of production lies a carefully coordinated system of engineering, automation, logistics,